In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT 4 examples, ChatGPT 4 marketing ideas. You'll see exactly how to turn a single prompt into ready-to-use marketing assets across social media, email, SEO, and ads, all while keeping your brand voice consistent and your workflow fast. Let's start with social media marketing campaigns. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging post ideas, write captions and hashtags, and map out a content calendar so you're posting consistently instead of scrambling last minute. A great way to kick this off is with a prompt like, create 30 days of Instagram content ideas for a fitness brand. From there, ask for captions with a friendly, motivating tone, add 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, and include a simple call to action like saving or sharing the post. Have ChatGPT organize everything into a weekly calendar and include engagement strategies, such as questions to ask in the caption or polls to run in stories, so you're not just posting, you're starting conversations. Next up, email marketing and lead generation. ChatGPT can generate promotional emails, polished newsletters, and subject lines that actually earn opens. If you need a complete sales sequence, try write a 5-email sequence to promote an online course and generate sales. Ask it to include compelling subject lines, short preview text, and a clear call to action in each message. You can also request variations for different customer segments, like new subscribers versus loyal customers, so each reader gets a message that feels tailored, not generic. And if you need gentle follow-ups, have ChatGPT write reminders that add value rather than repeat the same pitch. For SEO and content marketing, lean on ChatGPT to brainstorm topics, build article outlines, and craft SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions. A solid starting point is generate 20 blog post ideas targeting small business owners interested in digital marketing. From there, ask for a prioritized list with short rationales, recommended keywords, and an outline for the top 2 ideas. When you're ready to draft, have ChatGPT expand each section, keeping the structure tight and the formatting clean so long-form content gets produced faster without losing clarity. Finally, advertising and sales copy. ChatGPT can write copy for Facebook, Google, and TikTok, plus product descriptions and landing page sections. Use a prompt like, write 5 Facebook ads for a productivity app targeting remote workers. Ask for multiple variations with different hooks, benefits, and calls to action so you have options for A/B testing. Then request concise headlines, platform-specific tweaks, and a consistent brand tone across every asset. That's it, efficient, repeatable marketing workflows powered by smart prompts and clear outputs.